This is a hobby video for all ages. I take no claims to any and all trademark and copywritten content. During Kamen Rider Buffa's whole power to crush all Kamen Riders phase, he crushed Kamen Rider Na-Go's Rider Core ID, preventing her from ever being a Kamen Rider again. Sometime after that, Kamen Rider Tycoon got his wish for all deceased victims of the Desire Grand Prix to come back to life, civilians and writers. What he didn't consider was that some of those victims were criminals. There were at least two, and of course, they're both writers. Na-Go's father knows of one of them because he kidnapped his daughter years ago. Kamen Rider Geats used his inherited power of creation to make him a writer so he can protect his daughter. In this video, we'll be looking at the Rider Core ID and raise buckle used by Na-Go's father. First, a look at the Rider Core ID, which bears a bobcat mask. This mask is a retool and recolor of the mask worn by Kamen Rider Seeker. Now let's plug it into the desired driver. It's hard to see the ID light up in this shot, so I'll do it again with my table lamps off. As for the raise buckle, Na-Go's father uses the fantasy buckle. You may not notice it immediately, but the fantasy buckle is a retool and recolor of the ninja buckle. And now, watch as Na-Go's father transforms into Kamen Rider Gya-Go! Though Gya-Go fought hard to protect his daughter, he wasn't strong enough to stay a writer. But Gya-Go and his wife put their beliefs in Kamen Rider Geats. This allowed Geats to turn the Gya-Go Rider Core ID into a fully restored Na-Go Rider Core ID. After getting her rider power back, Na-Go took up her father's raise buckle and changed into fantasy form, also known as her final form. The way Na-Go got her final form is unusual. What was once the main form of one rider becomes the final form of another. Very strange. Just be thankful this isn't how lead riders get their final forms. Anyway, like most large raise buckles, you get a new transformation sound when you use Fantasy with Boost. Unfortunately, this combo wasn't used in the show. To finish this video, we'll try out the Fantasy Buckle with the Magnum Shooter 40X, the Geats Buster QB9, and the Vision Driver, so we can see a new animation. A possible seizure warning is in effect. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.